Welcome to this video on fluid dynamics. Today, we compare surface and submersible pump systems. Surface pumps are installed outside the water source, using suction lift to move fluid. Submersible pumps are submerged directly in the fluid and push it up using multi-stage impellers. The core difference lies in their operating mechanisms. Surface pumps create suction to pull water upward. In contrast, submersible pumps utilize direct pressure to push water up, which is a fundamental difference in how they achieve system performance. Physical placement is another key distinction. Surface pumps sit outside the water, either above ground or in a pump house. Submersible pumps are designed to operate entirely underwater, placed inside wells, tanks, or cisterns. Atmospheric physics imposes strict limits on surface pumps, which can typically reach a maximum depth of about 25 feet or 8 meters. Submersible pumps are not limited by suction and can operate effectively at depths well beyond 200 meters. When it comes to efficiency, surface pumps require manual priming, and air leaks can cause failures. Submersible pumps, however, prime themselves naturally. Additionally, the surrounding water provides natural cooling for the motor, enhancing performance. Maintenance requirements differ significantly. Surface pumps are easily accessible for quick inspections. Submersible pumps present more complex challenges, as extracting the entire unit from a well requires specialized professional equipment. Submersible pumps also offer the advantage of a quieter worksite. Surface pumps generate noticeable motor noise and require suction hoses that can clutter an area. Submersibles run silently, with the surrounding water effectively blocking mechanical sound waves. For heavy dewatering tasks, large surface pumps dominate. They can move massive volumes of water, sometimes up to 20,000 gallons per minute, and can pass large solids. Standard submersible pumps are generally not suited for handling such large debris. Initial investment costs also vary. Surface pumps are typically more affordable to purchase and install. Submersible pumps demand a higher upfront investment, often due to the complexity of deeper installations and the associated labor costs. This diagnostic matrix summarizes our comparison. From operating mechanisms and depth limits to priming, maintenance, and noise levels, each system offers distinct advantages depending on your specific needs. Ultimately, selecting the right architecture comes down to the application. If your water depth is less than 25 feet, a surface pump is often sufficient. For deeper bore wells or needs requiring a continuous, reliable water supply, a submersible pump is the better choice.